Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 10 Best Power Inverter in 2025.
Top 1.
Powland 10000W Solar Hybrid Inverter Charger 48V DC to 120V 240V AC Single-Phase Split-Phase Power Inverter Built-in 200A MPPT Charge Controller Work with 48V Lead-Acid/Leaf APO4 48V Hybrid Solar Inverter, Load Power 10000W, Output 120V plus or minus 5%, Pure Sine Wave Off-Grid Inverter, Non-Grid Connected Inverter, PV High Voltage Input, no need to connect the battery to work. Note, if do not connect the battery, PV voltage must be above 150V. The inverter has a Wi-Fi port, which requires the purchase of an additional Wi-Fi device link, and can be remotely monitored via the app. Important parameters: Pure Sine Wave Inverter, 50Hz/60Hz DC to AC maximum photovoltaic charging current 200 amp maximum photovoltaic open circuit voltage 500 VDC, photovoltaic operating voltage range 125-500 VDC, maximum photovoltaic input 10,000 W, maximum photovoltaic input current 22A, applicable to 48V lead acid, sealed, AGM, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries. BMS communicates with our
Top 2.
Split-phase solar inverter 10000W 48V to 120V/240V, UL 1741 10000W inverter built-in 200A MPPT controller, support up to 6-unit parallel, 4 lead-acid lithium battery and batteryless run. New parallel version split-phase solar inverter 48V supports split-phase and single-phase pure sine wave output. 110K inverter can also output 120V and 240V simultaneously through different connections. Upgraded version supports parallel operation for capacity expansion up to 60 kilowatts, max 6 power inverter parallel. Multifunctional solar inverter 10,000 watt solar inverter 48V is a new type of solar energy storage inverter control inverter integrating solar energy storage and utility charging and energy storage, AC sine wave output. Dual MPPT with 99.9% efficiency and maximum 22A current in a single circuit, perfectly adapted to high power modules. Supports 2 solar inputs and simultaneous tracking of 2 solar maximum power charging/carrying capacity functions.
Top 3.
12000W 48V inverter charger, input 240V AC output 120/240V split phase pure sine wave inverter, peak power 36,000 W for 20 seconds, low frequency inverter, heavy duty inverter for off-grid system, MPPT excluded. Heavy duty inverter, 12,000 watt inverter charger peak 36,000 watt for 20 seconds, input DC 48V and AC 240V, output 120/240 VAC split phase pure sine wave, 120A AC charger, low frequency inverter suitable for different appliances and off-grid system. Characters: adjust 0 to 100% charge current, dip switch to set utility/battery priority/low voltage cutoff, automatic generator start, AGS, automatic transfer switch between AC sources and battery sources, convenient remote control. Charging different batteries. 12,000 watt low frequency inverter is for AGM, gel, lead acid, lithium ion, and Leaf APO4 batteries, multi-stage charging, battery temperature protection. Inverter allows start up and through power with depleted batteries. Reliable inverter, over/low voltage protection, over temperature protection, overload protection, capable of working with microwave ovens, water pumps, refrigerator. Wide.
Top 4.
Sun Gold Power 10000 W48V Solar Inverter, built-in 2 MPPT solar controllers, max 200A battery charging, AC input/output 120V/240V, settable, pure sine wave inverter, parallel/Wi-Fi/BMS COMM, UL 1741. Functional solar charge inverter, Sun Gold Power 10 kW DC 48 volt pure sine wave solar inverter combined with max 200A battery charging, 2 MPPT solar controller inbuilt, max dot voltage of open circuit, 500 VDC, split phase, 120V/240V, or single phase, 120V, output. Wi-Fi module is included, which allows the user to view the operating status and parameters of the inverter via the mobile phone app parallel up to 6 units. Stable AC output and smart protection rated output power 10,000 W, max peak power 20,000 W, loaded motor capacity 6 HP, PV input over voltage/current protection, AC input over voltage protection, battery over voltage protection over load protection, and so on. 4 charging/output modes, hybrid charging/utility priority charge.
Top 5.
10,000 W split phase 48V DC to 100V AC 240V AC solar inverter UL 1741 10 kW pure sine wave hybrid inverter with 200 amp MPPT charge controller, work with 48V lead acid and lithium battery. 10 kW solar inverter. This is a solar inverter with both single phase and split phase functions. Is a new type of solar energy storage inverter control inverter integrating solar energy storage and utility charging and energy storage, AC sine wave output. It adopts DSP control and features high response speed reliability and industrial standard through an advanced control algorithm. Technical specifications, max.PV array power 11,000 W, max.MPPT charging current 200A, rated output power 10,000 W, max.peak power 20,000 W, rated output voltage 120/240 VAC split phase/single phase, max.voltage of open circuit 500 VDC. Embedded interfaces Rs 485/CAN/USB/dry contact. Single/split phase mode. In split phase mode, output voltage range, LN 100/120 VAC, 120 VAC default.
Top 6.
Wave power inverter Grow 848V 6 kW 120/240V split phase solar inverter built-in ADA MPPT solar charge controller. This is a multifunctional split-phase output grid solar inverter with the MPPT solar charge, a low-frequency pure sine wave inverter and a UPS function module in one machine, which is perfect for off-grid backup and self-consumption application. The whole system also need other devices to achieve complete running such as PV modules generator, or utility grid. The Wi-Fi module, not include, is a plug-and-play monitoring device to be installed on the inverter. With this device, users can monitor the status of the PV system from the mobile phone or from the website anytime anywhere. Compatible to mains voltage or generator power. Wi-Fi remote monitoring, optional. Configurable AC/solar input priority via LCD setting. Overload, short circuit, and deep discharge protection. Top 7. Slow power 10,000 W solar hybrid inverter, 48V DC to 110/240V, settable, AC low frequency split phase pure sine wave inverter, UL 1741 built-in 2 MPPT solar charger controller off-grid hybrid inverter. Heavy-duty inverter 10,000 W pure sine wave inverter peak 30,000 watts for 20 seconds, low-frequency hybrid inverter with transformer. 48V DC to 110/240V AC split phase pure sine wave inverter, output 110/240 VAC, 50 or 60 Hz output can be set via LCD screen. Meet the power demand of different types of loads and provide stable power supply for various electrical appliances in the home. Charge different batteries. 10,000 W hybrid solar inverter is suitable for AGM, gel, lead acid, lithium ion, and LiFePO4 batteries. The inverter has lithium battery communication function. Compatible with main voltage or generator, charge batteries, or power loads. Can be used with ovens, refrigerators, etc. The conversion efficiency can reach 98%, which greatly reduces the loss of electricity in the conversion process. Built-in 2x MPPT solar controller smart remote control, automatically start the Top 8. YNH 10 kW 48V solar inverter 120V/240V single phase/phase split off-grid hybrid inverter UL 1741 with 200A MPPT controller supports parallel capable pure sine wave solar inverter supports batteryless. YNH 10 kW parallel and split phase solar inverter. This upgraded solar hybrid inverter support parallel connection, rated output power 10,000 W, max peak power 20,000 W, rated output voltage AC 120V/240V, split phase/single phase, battery voltage 48V DC, built-in 200A MPPT solar charging, max PV input power 11,000 W, voltage range 125-425 VDC, max open circuit voltage VOC 500 VDC, startup voltage 130V, PV cable specification, 10 AWG, max charging current 200A, nominal input frequency, 50/60 Hz, supports CAN, USB and RS-485 communication. Protection level, IP20, indoor only. Support batteryless and multiple batteries. This parallel and split/single phase pure sine wave output inverter is compatible with AGM, colloidal, lead acid, lithium ion and lithium. Top 9. Sun Gold Power 10,000 WDC 48V UL 1741 solar inverter support parallel, built-in 2 MPPT solar controllers, max 200A battery charging, AC input/output 120V/240V, settable, inverter charger, 10,000 WDC 48V. All-in-one solar charge inverter, Sun Gold Power 10 kW DC 48 volt UL 1741 pure sine wave solar inverter combined with max 200A battery charging, 2 MPPT solar controller inbuilt, max dot voltage of open circuit, 500 VDC, split phase, 120V/240V, or single phase, 120V, output. Wi-Fi module is included, which allows the user to view the operating status and parameters of the inverter via the mobile phone app. Parallel up to 6 units. Stable AC output and smart protection. Rated output power 10,000 W, max peak power 20,000 W, loaded motor capacity. Top 10. Sun Gold Power 18,000 W 48V inverter charger, input 240V AC output 120/240V split phase pure sine wave inverter, low frequency inverter, heavy duty inverter for off-grid system. MPPT excluded. Heavy duty inverter, 18,000 watt inverter charger, peak 54,000 watt for 20 seconds, input DC 48V and AC 240V, output 120/240 VAC split phase pure sine wave, 120A AC charger, low frequency inverter suitable for different appliances and off-grid system. Characters: adjust 0 to 100% charge current, dip switch to set utility/battery priority/low voltage cutoff, Automatic generator start, AGS, automatic transfer switch between AC sources and battery sources, convenient remote control. Charging different batteries, 18,000 watt low frequency inverter is for AGM, gel, lead acid, lithium ion, and LiFePO4 batteries, multi-stage charging, battery temperature protection. Inverter allows start-up and through power with depleted batteries. Reliable inverter, over/low voltage protection, over temperature protection, over load protection, capable of working with.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.